appreciate you for taking the time to check out one of my videos. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about window coverings, in particular mini blinds. Right here we have vertical blinds. This is one of, I think, 3 windows that we have left in the house that have vertical blinds. We've been going through replacing all our vertical blinds with mini blinds. But first of all, to determine the size that you need a tape measure, and you measure from the inside and top to bottom. My inside to inside is 58 3/4 of an inch, and top to bottom is 58 inches. So I already know what size I'm gonna need because I just did the one behind the camera, same size. So I'm going to need blinds that are 59 inches wide by 64 inches long. So I'm going to go to the store right now, pick up some blinds. I'm show you how you take your verticals down. I'm show you how you put the new ones up, and I'm show you some before and afters. I just arrived at Home Depot. I'm about to walk in and get my blinds. They have a few different blinds. I'm show you the ones I'm getting, and I'm show you why. Right here is the premium kind, and as you see, you just go like that and they go up. Pull them down. These are premium, and then here's your standard at 2 inches, and these also are cordless. These are 1 inch. These are also 1 inch, and these have the string. So I'm going to go with the cordless 3-inch premium, which is this one right here, 59 inches wide, 64 inches high. Just in case anybody wanted to know, they're $72.97. As you see, there's many different shapes and lengths, from 29 inches, 72 inches. Kind of like these as well, motorized. Alright, let me get out of here before I spend too much money. Here are 2 other companies that you can buy your blinds from. This is a company called Select Blinds, and as you see, they have a whole host of blinds, from shutters and shades. Some are motorized and some are cone shaped. The reason I'm showing you this company, they accept Ebates, and if you have Ebates, you can get 2.5% cash back. And if you don't have Ebates, this is a good reason to go and get them. I'll leave a link below. And you can always come to Amazon and shop for blinds. As you see, there's a lot of different blinds. You have shades, you have mini blinds, you have shutters. Okay, I'm back from Home Depot and I have my blinds. Now it's time to take down the verticals, and all you have to do is get a screwdriver or use your finger and you push the clips and these slide right out. As soon as I take them down, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Right here is one of the clips. You push it and then this just slides. You might have 3 of them. I only have 2.
Why not?
Just left with the top bracket, and as you see right here, that's one of the clips. There is the other clip. This is just a simple flathead. I'll take this out. Now let's open up your blind and see just what comes in the box. And you get your molding piece. You get the little pole to open and close. You get your box of your hardware. You get some end molding pieces. You get your instructions and your blinds themselves. Now let's go see if they fit. If not, we'll have to cut them. As you see, mine is all the way in there and they do fit, and I have a little room to spare. But all this room right here that they give at the edge, this is so that the blinds can be cut. There's a little bit of room on both sides, but they will either do this at the store or you could do it at your house. The next step is to open up your little hardware box. Right now, we're going to use the brackets these are the brackets that you screw into the wall, and that's what the blinds attach to. And I have 4 brackets because this is a large window and the blinds are a little heavy, and you have your screws. Now you're ready to mount your bracket. On your bracket right here, like I said, it looks like an L. You want to make sure the long part is on top of the short part. So it should go just like this. It should go just like this. This part goes towards the bottom of the blinds. This is towards the top. There's 2 ways you can mount these. You could do an interior mount, which I'm doing, or you can mount on the exterior of the window or on the top of a molding piece. If you're gonna mount these on the top, you would drill in through the back right here, and here's the wall, and you would mount it like this. Or if you're mounting on the interior, you would drill underneath like I'm about to, and you would mount it this way. So grab your pencil and get your bracket, and let's go make our markings, and then we will come back and I'll show you how to determine what size drill bit you need, and then we'll drill the holes. I want to mount it to where there's a little hangover, and what that will do, that will allow for when the window is opening and closing, it gives it room behind the blind. So I'm going to line it up, take my pencil, make my markings. This is what it looks like after I've marked all 4 holes, and that's what it looks like after I've mounted one of the plates. Now it's time to go get you some goggles and your drill, and you need a drill bit. This particular drill bit is a 3/32, but this is what you do. You take your you take your screw and your bit. As long as the drill bit in diameter is smaller than the screw, then you're fine. So now that we have our drill bit, attach it to the drill and go drill through the markings, and then we will attach the bracket. You just want to drill straight in and do this to all 4. You have all 4 holes, and that's why you want to wear goggles, because I have dust everywhere. I'm switching over to the impact driver. I have the bracket. I preloaded a screw in it. You want to line it up, and I'm starting the screw. And right here, this is the overhang that I was talking about. You just want a little overhang like that, so that, like I said, the window sliding behind the blinds will open up. So I will go ahead and screw all 4 in. The next thing you want to do is get your little balance clips. These are the clips that go into the blinds to hold your balance or the exterior molding. And you simply just slide them in right now. Actually, you have to put these on right now, because after you get this on the wall, it's going to be almost impossible to slide them in there. Next step, you want to take your head rail end caps and just simply click it and line it up on the head rail, and then you take the bottom rail end caps and you line those up and click them into place. Now it's time to install the blinds. So what you want to do, you want to take your head rail and you want to line it up in the front, and then you swing it back to click it into place. So you line it in the front right there. You line all 4 of them in the front. I backed the camera back so you can actually see me do it. Another way to tell that you're doing this right is where the pole gets attached so you can open and close the blinds. And obviously it has to be facing the front of the blind so you know that you're doing it right. So again, you just line all 4 of them up. And you push back and you'll hear a click. Okay, and now you just pull them down. That's why they're cordless. Let's get the, okay, I have the wand and you simply push that in. You'll hear a click. And then there you go. Yeah. Wow. Pretty nice. Really like, the cordless part, you just pick them up, pull them, stop wherever you go. Obviously you can do it with one hand, you can do it with 2. It goes all the way up, all the way down. Really like these, very easy. Okay, so now let's put the front molding piece on, or balance. All we have to do is put up the balance. You have a balance return and you have a balance return clip. So you take your balance return clip and you slide it into the balance. Then you're going to take your balance return and you slide that into the clip. It's grooved, by the way. You slide it in, and then you have a decorative end piece. Now, depending on how far your wall is, you will need to cut it, but let me show you what it looks like when it's all finished. Now, before you put your balance end clip in and the balance end rail, you want to attach the balance to these little clips. It's real simple. You just put them in from the top and you slide them on down. See, that was very simple. Now I'm going to get the end clips in and then we're all done. This is what it's going to look like when it's all finished. So you can see it looks like a nice piece of molding. Now that I'm done and I'm looking at this window, I really like how the blinds improve this window. I like how they improve the wall. I like how they improve this whole room. It just looks so much more neater. Should have did this a long time ago. It didn't take that long. Because I was filming, it took me a little bit over 30 minutes. So this is at most a 30-minute job. And it made such a difference. I think earlier I said these were 3 inches. They're 2.5. Them being 2.5, they're a lot thicker, so when they open up, they let more light in. They just look better to me. Plus, the fact that it's cordless, you just grab it, go up and down, stop it exactly where you want. Man, that's a cool little feature. Wish I would have bought these a long time ago. I bought mine at Home Depot, but the other ones that I showed, those were just online, and the reason I showed those were because you can use Ebates. Anytime you can save a little bit of money, that's a good route to take. But as usual, I appreciate your time. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And you guys have a nice day. Stay blessed. You guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.